Hey, hello, good morning, dear. It's me, AP here. Today I am going to tell you a little story. What happened with me on Dasera. Okay, so everyone's in this world, everyone is selling their product. But on this day, I took the advantage of this festival. Ravar Dahan and Second October also, they are going to collaboration with each other. So just I'm going to sell my product. And really, if we want to grow in our life, then we have to sell something else. Someone is selling clothes, and someone is selling shoes, and someone is selling something else. But today, I'm going to sell something special. Do you know what things I'm going to just sell in the market? See, I'm going to sell this product. Really, this is amazing. Please watch this video till end. This video is going to blast. Okay, this is the product, my product. I bought this in 5 rupees from the market, and today's I am going to sell this product in Mela. As you all know that today is Mela. So why I'm going to do this? I'll tell you the whole story. Okay, so just please watch full video till end. Okay. Dear listen, in our life, in reality, we need to know how to sell our product. Because without selling, it is not possible for living a life in this world. We are doing jobs somewhere. It's okay, fine. But for getting more reach and for getting more earning, then we have to sell the product. So just because of that, I'm going to sell my products. So dear, let's see. Someone will buy a lot of our product.
You can see how narrow the path is and how crowded it is here. It's a single lane and there is barely enough room to put 1 feet down. I'm having a really hard time.
So dear Shi, finally I have come in the fair, and today just I am going to show you how this fair is going on in our colony. As you can see, dear please, as you can see, this is the very biggest Zula in this fair, and you can see there is a lot of crowd are available over here, and this is so amazing view, yaar. And really, basically my plan was something else, but I decided I should go in the fair and I should make a video, because everyone is selling their product in every fair. And really, if you want to grow in our life, then we have to sell our product, because we need to know how to sell product in the market. Someone is selling shirt, and someone is selling phone, and someone is selling bag, etc. Everyone people are selling their different people. But today I came here for selling the different product in the market. So do you want to see what kind of product just I'm going to sell in the market? So please continue with this video, and just I will show you how we can sell our product. So thank you till great. And you can see behind me there is a types of you can say jule, but I don't know how to call it jule in English particular. But you can see there is a very crowd are available over here. Really, this is very amazing view, and you can see the whole view in one picture. So today I came in this fair and having a fun. I'm going to sell my products, and let's see who will buy in the market. So just wait, and you can see this is okay sir, busy है थोड़े phone पे. So dear, we have to wait for a while because sir is busy on call, and just wait for till ending the call. And now recently he has finished their call, so just I will try to talk to him what we will say. Okay, excuse me sir. सर मैं 2 मिनट आपसे बात कर सकता हूँ, यदि आपको 2 मिनट सर? ओके ठीक है, ओके. Basically sir is talking to their parents, so that's why they has no time for talking right now. Okay, so it's okay, no issue. Just we will try to find out with another person. Okay, so just come. As you can see, this person. Baby, just hold it, and here I gave him a chip. Wait, basically this cute. Please come. Just ask so high. Sorry. This baby has so high, so that's why I am not able to see the whole picture of this little cute, wonderful, charming. Just smile, थोड़ा सा हंस दो, थोड़ा सा मुस्कुराओ. Okay, so basically यार दोनों काफी feeling shy, थोड़ा शर्मा रहा है because I never met him before that at GSC. So finally, I have sold 2 products in this market, and just I'm going to sell the third product. So just I wanna reach this ma'am. Ma'am is basically sitting near me. Ma'am, मैं आपसे 2 मिनट बात कर सकता हूँ? It's free. I'm not asking any money. पैसे वगैरह कुछ नहीं ले सकता. Okay, so we are just I'm going to give this product to this beautiful child. So baby, क्या नाम क्या हुआ आपका? Sorry? Aditi. So the name of this beautiful girl, the name is this Aditi. Aditi. So, sorry? What? Of course, बिल्कुल. Why not? Why not? Why dear? Why not? Why not? So say hello. Thank you so much, dear. So just I'm going to sell. How many products I will sell in this whole fair? So really, genuinely, everything has been finished. I really am feeling very embarrassing in this market. What do and what not to do. So I'm going to sell my product. So just I'm going to sell my products. This one, sir, if you don't mind, may I ask you something?
अरे भाई
एक मिनट का आपसे समय ले सकता हूँ, बात कर सकता हूँ? हाँ बिल्कुल. तो जस्ट मैं प्रोडक्ट सेल कर रहा हूँ, अपना मतलब सेल नहीं कर रहा. आई एम नॉट आस्किंग एनी मनी. मैं पैसे नहीं ले रहा हूँ आपसे.
अरे भाई इंग्लिश नहीं है.
भाई साहब क्या कह रहे हो यार, मुझसे इंग्लिश में आती है यार.
प्लीज देते हैं. तो दिस इज, ये सिर्फ बच्चों के लिए है. ओके, तो ये फ्री है. थोड़ी बहुत बोल सकते हैं इंग्लिश? ओके ओके ओके, नो इश्यू नहीं है. मैं पापा है. ओके, थैंक यू अंकल. ये हाँ, ये बच्चों के लिए है कि मैं जैसे बेसिकली. थैंक यू सो मच. Dear, see, this guy has subscribed my channel, and really I'm very happy with meeting this person. As you can see, so dear, thank you so much. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. See, this is the biggest Zula in this whole fair. And you can see, just I'm trying to show you with the help of zoom camera, and you can see basically they're just shaking in my hand this camera, so that's why I'm not able to see proper. Basically I don't have right now the tripod, so I'm not able to see the pin proper. My hand is moving because you know there is a little bit of picture when we zoom our camera, then they're just shaking in my hand, so I'm really sorry for that. But you can see like this, this is our rubber. But I don't know why people every year goes to won this Ravan. What's wrong done with him, yeah? What's wrong done with that Ravan, so that why everyone is and every year they just won this person. But as far as I'm concerned, that person is really was nice person in their whole character life. Okay, so just you can see. मैं आपसे 2 मिनट बात कर सकता हूँ सर? बेसिकली सर मैं बच्चों को इंग्लिश सिखाता हूँ, छोटे बच्चों को, है ना. तो मैं अभी नहीं, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नहीं है सर. मैं यूट्यूब पे वीडियोस बनाता हूँ, कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नहीं है मेरी. बस मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ खुद की ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. इट मे बी फ्यूचर आई विल मेक माई ऑन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन.
मतलब जैसे बाईजूस वगैरह?
नो सर, नहीं सर, नहीं सर, ऐसा कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. जस्ट रिसेंटली आई मेक माई वीडियो ऑन माई चैनल. दैट प्लीज कीप कंटिन्यू and move and keep connected with this channel. Until that, thank you so much. Have a great night and glad to meet all of you dear. Thank you. So finally I have reached with another person, and as you can see there are a lot of persons are available over here. So I'm really glad to meet him. As you can see the whole crowded are available over here. So let's try to talk him and let's see what he will say and what he will not say, like this. Okay, so sir, मैं आपसे 2 मिनट बात कर सकता हूँ सर? So dear see, basically sir has allowed me to give the chips to the beautiful and charming cute baby. So please baby hold it This is for you. So she is a little very cute baby. She is very nice. And see, this one is another guy. And what's your name, Babu? Ansh. She, the name of this person, Ansh. So Ansh, could you tell me in which class do you read? किस class में पढ़ते हो? Oh, you are studying in 5th class. Okay, so could you tell me what is your school name?
My school name is ART Public School.
So really, before moving ahead, just I would like to say this man is having the conversation with me in English really, and really I am very happy for meeting this person. So just once again, आपने क्या नाम बताया था? So just once again tell me your name.
Ans.
And in which class do you read?
5th.
So this Ans is studying in 5th class. So Ans, please could you tell me your school name?
ART Public School.
ART Public School. And where is this school?
Modband. Gully number 67. 67. Block.
Really, really, I'm glad to meet him. Okay, so Ans, am I right? Okay, and so please could you tell me what is your favorite subject? Which subject is your favorite?
English.
Oh, really? Man, really, this man has a English is the favorite subject of this person. I can tell you how am I exciting for meeting this cutest children. Okay. So, Ans, please could you tell me your favorite food?
Food. Pizza.
Really? So pizza is the most delicious dish of this person. So now dear, I have sold all the products and just right now I have left only one product. So let's see who will buy this. And really this is only one product is remaining here. So and let's see who will buy this. And just I'm feeling very tired and after complete this just I'm going to at home because now I'll go there. I'll go in my office because I think it's 9:30. I think it's 9:30 o'clock right now. So just I am about to go. Really, thank you. Till great.